Hey there! Today, we're going to look at how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. So let's get started. If you have a professional business or creator account on Instagram and want to switch back to a personal account, the process has changed recently because of updates from Meta and Facebook. First, open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Instead of going to the usual settings through the three bars at the top right, stay on your profile page. Just below your bio and name, you will see the Professional Dashboard option. Tap on that. Once the Professional Dashboard loads, look for a gear or cog icon at the top right corner and tap on it to access your business settings. Scroll down until you find the option that says Switch Account Type and tap it. You will see two options: Switch to Personal Account and Switch to Creator Account. Choose Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will warn you that you will lose professional features, but if you are okay with that, confirm by tapping Switch To. It will take a moment to process the change. Afterward, tap your profile picture again and refresh the page. Your account should now be switched back to a personal one, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.